Let me do both of them. You wouldn't have to worry about it.
Just shut up. Now, we don't even know who the hell they are. You don't kill people you don't know. That's a rule. Now, I want you to get up here, lie down on the front seat. When they pick me up, you follow us. You got that? Hey, here they come. Stay down, stay down.
Say, are you guys going to Davenport? My car died and I'm late for a luncheon.
We usually don't pick up hitchhikers. But I'm gonna go with my instinct on this one. Saddle up, partner. You're it. You're it. You're it. Quincy's!
Any Quincy's, you're it, Quincy's. No, any Quincy's, no startsies.
You can't do that.
Can't do.
Cannot. Stamped it.
Can't do double stamped it, no erases.
Cannot. Triple stamped it. No erases. Tough blue, make it through.
No. You can't triple stamp a double stamp. You can't triple stamp a double stamp, Lloyd. You can't triple stamp a double stamp. Lloyd, you
Guys! Enough! Hey, wanna hear the most annoying sound in the world? Guys!
Fellas, you think we could listen to the radio or something?
Radio?